Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Canceling Shopify subscription is a great option for you because it ensures you can come back and reopen your store on Shopify anytime you want. It gives you the freedom to decide when to reoperate, and you won't have to regret having closed the store if you want to start over. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to Settings. At first, you need to make sure to log into your Shopify account, then you must be on the admin page. Look at the menu on the left and tap on the settings button, which is at the bottom. Step 2. Select account. You will see lots of options here. Take a view of the account section and tap on it to move to the account page. Step 3. Scroll down and click to pause store. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will get sight of the store status field. This section allows you to customize the store status. Therefore, you absolutely can close your store here. After considering carefully and willing to come back in an appropriate period, tap on the pause store button. I've marked it here so you can find it easily. Step 4. Confirm your billing cycle details. In this step, there will be a new dialog appearing. What you need to do is take a view of all the information and confirm your billing cycle details. In a nutshell, having to temporarily suspend or close a store is often undesirable for shop owners. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.